Reporting is essential for understanding your business and tracking performance. Quickvee makes it simple to access the insights you need. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on tax reports. Your tax reports give you a clear view of the sales tax collected and the taxable activity in your store. By monitoring your taxes regularly, you can ensure compliance, avoid errors, and make tax filing simpler and more accurate. Starting off, head to the Quickvee dashboard. Then from the menu on the left-hand side, tap on Reporting, then Taxes. Here you'll find the Taxes section of Reporting. At the top, you can set a date range to view tax data for a specific day, week, month, or custom time period. The table below provides a detailed breakdown showing the current rate, taxable amount, estimated sales tax due, sales tax, refunds, CET, refunds, totals, total tax collected, and non-taxable sales. This gives you a comprehensive view of your tax activity and ensures your reporting is accurate. You can also export your tax report by tapping the Export Report button at the top, making it easier to share with your accountant or include in filings. And there you have it. By reviewing your taxes report easily, you can simplify compliance, quickly spot discrepancies, and maintain accurate financial records. You now have the insights you need to manage your business confidently with Quickvee reporting. Quickvee. Management made easy.